Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm gonna lose a lot of followers for what I am about to say in this video, but I'm trying to be as honest and transparent in this video, so I hope that this reaches you with good kindness. Nonetheless, it is pretty depressing outside. It's cloudy as shit, and what can you do about it? The winter's coming. I'm glad we have some heating, so we are moving on. But nonetheless, in this video, I want to talk about how not everyone can become developers. If you look for a slight second at the coding space, every single coding guru will tell you that you can be a programmer. That if you follow these two-step hacks, you can be a software developer in 3 months. Stupid statements like that, right? But in my opinion, that's simply not true. And from experience, it takes a very long time to learn how to code. And that is precisely the reason why not everyone can be developers, in my opinion. Not everyone is willing to stay up at night to code. Not everyone is willing to show up every day and code for 4 or 5 hours a day. Not everyone is willing to suffer and go through the pain of not making progress in something for a couple of months. In addition to the fact that not everyone likes to solve problems, which is integral to the process of coding, especially self-taught coding. So if there's someone telling you that anyone can learn to code, block them now. Block them now. And again, I believe this is going to make me lose a lot of followers, but I am trying to be as transparent as possible to the viewer out there that is considering this field. It is hard, it is difficult, and in all honest truth, not everyone is willing to put in the work to try. However, the same goes for every other industry that you want to get into. If you want to be successful in almost anything in life, you have to understand that it takes hours upon hours of dedication. Like Malcolm Gladwell says, it's a very common quote, it takes 10,000 hours to master a skill. That equivalents to like, what, 5-10 years? Something crazy like that. It's a really long amount of work. But nonetheless, we're a little bit off topic. The whole reason I'm making this video is if you are considering going into this field or you are struggling with something, firstly understand that it's normal, and secondly understand that not everyone is willing to put in the work. But if you're willing to put in the work, then anyone can code. The problem is people think that everyone can just make it without any hard work. But in reality, it takes a long time, a lot of suffering, and a lot of effort to get to the goals that you want to achieve. So if you're willing to put in the hard work, if you're willing to try, and if you're willing to suffer, this field is for you. From personal experience, it took me 8 months to see some progress. For you, this may take a little bit of a shorter time, but hey, who is it to say that you can't do it in a faster time? But I'm just saying that it is a hard field to be in, and understand that it is quite the journey if you're willing. And if you're willing to work hard, and if you're willing to push through whatever self-doubt, self-barriers that you will get yourself into, then this field is for you. But again, if you're not, anyways, that's the video.